Welcome to the tutorial for mentor teachers and college supervisors. These are the steps for completing the evaluation for your student teacher from Calvin College. Thank you for your work with our student teachers. Your feedback and assessments are very important. We ask that you complete the evaluation of your student teacher at both the midpoint and conclusion of the semester. The Calvin College evaluation form is aligned with the goals of our education program. You will note that it includes numeric rating as well as narrative response. While we ask you to complete both portions, please note that the data is used in different ways. The numeric data is used to help us assess our program, identify areas of strength and weakness. The comments you write will become a part of the student teacher's permanent credential file. This file is accessible to future employers. Your comments serve as your letter of recommendation for the student. Firefox is the preferred web browser to use. The evaluation may be found at the following address: www.calvin.edu/academic/education/forms/evals. Once at this site, please click on the appropriate link. Your browser will bring you to a page like this. Boxes marked with an asterisk require text. Entering placeholders like an X in text boxes will allow you to create a rough draft without having to compose all of your comments. You will need to go back at a later time to add your detailed comments. Many have found it helpful to compose the narrative portion in a Word document and then copy and paste the comments into the evaluation form. Rate the teacher candidate using the scales given. Please be sure to reference the descriptors that go with each numeric rating. We will collect and review the numeric ratings of all the student teachers to help us identify overall program strengths and areas needing additional effort. Your comments are also very important as they are included in the student's credential file and are accessible to all potential employers. When you have a draft completed, please click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. This will save your responses in a draft version. You will still have the opportunity to make changes after you submit the form the first time. After clicking the Submit button, instructions will be provided for printing this form for discussion with your student teacher and for revising your responses in the future. After clicking Submit, you will be prompted with a text box that gives you the option to edit your response. Be sure to click on this option. This should bring you back to your draft form. Now save the entire web address as your favorite or a bookmark. You may also paste the address into a Word document. This web address should take you back to the draft form so that you may edit and finalize your comments or ratings. When you are sure the entire evaluation is complete and you've made all necessary revisions, please check the appropriate boxes near the bottom of the form. We do also recommend that you print the evaluation at this time. This will allow you to have a paper copy for your records and will facilitate review with your student teacher. It will be necessary to click Submit one last time. This then signals to the college that we may process your evaluation. Please note, when printing the evaluation, it may be necessary to enlarge your text boxes to include all of your text. Use the mouse to drag the lower right corner of the text box so that all your comments are visible on your screen. This should then make them visible in the printed version also. The Firefox browser allows you to do this. Thank you for your participation. Contact Sherry Brower with questions about the online evaluation form.